Hey guys, welcome back to XDA. Last week, the final release of the Lawnchair Launcher came out, and with it, DeleteScape released an early build of its new version of the launcher, Lawnchair V2. The original version of the launcher was pretty much just a pixel launcher but on steroids, and this new version follows suit, taking after the Android P launcher. And there's a lot of customization available. Under theme, you'll find a handful of elements to play with. You can change your system theme from here, import your own icon packs, or a personal favorite of mine, Blur. The At a Glance Google widget is also customizable. You can toggle on and off the date and time. But when I downloaded this launcher, I noticed that the At a Glance widget doesn't display the weather. A simple fix to this is just to disable it from the settings and grab a new widget from the widget menu. The app drawer can be customized too, but as of right now we're not given as many options as we were in the first version of Lawnchair. And just like the first version, this launcher comes with Google Now integration. Overall, this launcher is really clean and super nice to use, but one thing that I think is really worth noting is there was significant lag time between when I was playing with the settings and pressing the home button. It's an early build, so lag is to be expected, but if you're looking to use this launcher right away, it's something you should be prepared for. If you want to get this early build, you have to join DeleteScape's Telegram, and from there you can download Lawnchair V2 for yourself. Do you like the new version of Lawnchair? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please make sure to check out all the good stuff in the description below, including my personal links. I'll see you guys in the next one.